Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Docker container health checks in Docker Desktop step by step clearly. Open Docker Desktop on your machine. Ensure that your containers are running. Locate the container you want to verify. Right-click on the container to open the context menu. Select the Inspect option from the menu. This will open the container's details in a new window. Scroll down to find the Health section. Here, you will see the current health status of the container. Check for the health status indicators. You may see statuses such as healthy, unhealthy, or starting. To view detailed health check logs, open the terminal. Use the command docker ps to list all running containers. Identify the container ID of the one you're inspecting. Run the command docker inspect container_ID. Replace container_ID with the actual ID you noted earlier. Look for the state object within the JSON output. Within this, find the health subobject. Check the status field for the health check result. You can also see the log field for more details about previous health checks. If the container is unhealthy, troubleshoot based on the logs provided. Consider revising the Docker file or the configuration if necessary. Rerun the health check command as needed to ensure the fix is effective. Ensure that your application within the container is functioning as expected. Once confirmed, you can continue using your container normally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.